Morning geocachers. It's early doors on the last day of the month in January and I'm in York city centre doing a few geocaches. It is a Sunday, I think I said that, and it is only just about 8 o'clock, something along those lines, 8:15 in the morning, and I thought I'd get out and do a few of those that are in the more populated areas. So I'm just about to do another one, and I think you can see that. I'm only about 200 metres away. So let's go looking. So this is Collier Gate in York, and roughly centre screen you can just see the top of the Minster disappearing from view over the buildings as I walk. Jeez, it sounds like we're in Filey with all the gulls. So this is King's Square, normally a veritable hive of activity, especially in less pandemic-y times. You can see another aspect of the Minster here as we head on to Low Petergate. Lots of old buildings on the left here with the jutty outy toppies where they used to throw all their effluent out of the windows. We're a delightful species. Now, looking at the app, I'm not actually that far away. Hello, little pigeon. Why is it they always walk right in front of you? There's a bit of a clue. That's a great little cache. It's very discreet. Definitely going to need tweezers to get that out. Well, while I'm having a look at this, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing and you want to see more of these, then by all means hit that subscribe button, and then when I upload any more, YouTube will give you a notification, and it costs you nothing. How wonderful is that? Right, I'll just sign this log. Thank you so much for watching.